Gary from VOC here again. Not brewed for 2 weeks and a day. Long time for me. This morning, it's about 10 to 7 in the morning. On a Friday, don't even know what day it is to be honest, date. On a Friday, I put the date on the information. Today we're brewing a Northern Monk IPA. I did this about 6 months ago, 5 months ago, something like that. It came out fantastic. So I've just done a couple of little minor tweaks to the recipe, nothing massive. It's the grain bill there. A sec. That's if anyone wants to take a screenshot, there's the recipe. There we are. Yeah, a couple of minor tweaks. So just putting a couple of grams of lemon peel and 4 grams of orange peel in it. 5 minutes. Change the water calcs a little bit. Nothing major. Just trying to make it a bit more so it gets the hops a bit more. Putting a red somewhere. You put the ratios 2 basically on the. They've got twice the amount of gypsum as calcium chloride. So see how that works. So yeah, just coming up to temp. I'll be mashing in very shortly. Cheers. Brewers, just got the first 4 or 5 scoops of grain in. I just thought I'd give you the shot of some shitty camera work and give it a quick stir in. Right, on to the next dollop. Cheers. Hi brewers, 20 minutes odd into the 20 minutes or so into the mash. Didn't take a shot of the busy weighing out hops and stuff. Now the wort's looking good. You can see nice bit of rotation in the kettle. The level has stayed absolutely bob on, hasn't moved a millimetre from when I started. Levels are blimey. About an inch difference in the malt pipe to the kettle, which I'm very happy with because I've changed the water ratios from 3.8 litres a kilo to 3.5 I think it is. So there's a bit less water in the kettle to start with, but there's more sparged water goes in, so evens it out. So we'll see how this works. I've changed another couple of things with this recipe as well, nothing major. So yeah, there we are. The lever position, I like to do this on my vids. Obviously this is a Brewtools kit, Brewtools B40. That's how I've got the lever on the right side. Probably 23 minutes past the hour if you look at it like a clock thing. That's the hour level I've got the pump set. What is it? I got it. Bloody see, 58%. And there's the levers. How I have it on the left side of the kettle as we're looking at it. So it's basically the pump is the back of the machine in there underneath. It pumps it out of here, comes out round, back into there, does a circuit, and then the way there's a pipe down in the kettle like that, comes out and it spits it round. There's another the inlet pipe is here, and you can see you get a nice helps to keep the temperature more even. You get a nice even running round in the kettle. So yeah, there we are, a little explanation. I will get back to you in a bit. Cheers. Hi brewers, back again. Just only a few minutes left of the mash out. Look at that. How good's that wort? Looking fantastic. I'll say so myself. No one biased, but there you go. Yeah, everything going uber smooth, thankfully. Just a few minutes left. Be sparging very shortly, and I'll do a segment shortly. Cheers. Easy peasy. Hey brewers, just cooling it down now. Hardly see because of the bright sunshine. Sun's out, hurrah! So yeah, had another trouble-free brew day. A little bit more volume than I planned. It's going to be a little bit down on the OG, a couple of points, so not the end of the world. Have a bit more beer. Don't like strong beers anyway, so yeah, I'll do another one when I get it in the fermenter. I've got all cooling down nice. I'll have this all to temp and in the fermenter in about half an hour. Cheers. Hi brewers, just wrapping up. 24 litres in the fermenter. That's the scene. Bloody sunlight. That's the scene in the kettle. Won't take long to clean out that. Yeah, so really good brew day. Nothing to report. Everything's gone fine. Slightly down on me FG, but it's only a point, so it's going to be a 5% beer instead of 5.2, so not the end of the world. So right, gonna wrap this up, get the lid on for anything that gets in there, and we'll see you on the next one. Cheers. Last one, just swilled it out. You saw how it was literally 5 minutes ago. Let's get the bloody sun. That's the kettle, a few bits in it, give it a rinse out. That was a handful of grain and stuff that I got through. My bucket full of hot water there. That not rescued, the hot water from the CFC went in there, so I was cooling it down, so I'll put 10 litres of that in and give it a good rinse through and give it a good clean. So yeah, that's it today. Really good session. What time did I start? Didn't really kick off till 7:30. Don't even know the time now. I think it's about hang on one sec. Oh, it's nearly 12, so about 4.5, 5 hours in here for about an hour last night getting everything ready. So yeah, good day, and 24 litres in the fermenter there, so really happy. Right, cheers, see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.